The recent revolution around AI technology is the release of ChatGPT. It is developed by OpenAI and released on November 30, 2022. Since then, on average, it has been daily used by around 13 million unique users. If you haven't started to use it, it's high time that you start now. In the later part of the video, I will show a quick demo on how to use it for beginners. But before that, we will see what exactly ChatGPT is and how powerful it is. ChatGPT is a highly advanced artificial intelligence system that has been trained on massive amounts of text data from all over the internet. Training data includes a vast variety of topics and styles, ranging from formal news articles to casual conversations on social media, ebooks, literature, and forums. Before training ChatGPT, these text data were filtered to remove low-quality or spam content, and it was further balanced to ensure that it reflected the diversity of the internet. So, ChatGPT was able to generate text that was not only accurate but also culturally and linguistically representative of the internet as a whole. But what makes it so powerful? It can understand the context and generate responses based on previous conversations. This means you can have natural and flowing conversations with ChatGPT, just like you would with a human. Its other ability is to learn and adapt over time, improving its performance and accuracy as it processes more data. This means that it can constantly improve and become even more powerful as it's used more and more. Now, let's start using it. Go to Google, type OpenAI ChatGPT login. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account, provide your email address and complete the process. As I already have an account, I am going to use that detail and log in. From here, you can input data or click the examples to start. As it is experiencing a huge load, it's taking a bit of time to respond. Conversation is saved automatically on the left side so that you can use it later for reference. I am gonna ask ChatGPT to give some topics for the kids' story. Remember, if it stops responding in middle, you can always refresh it. If you are looking for a side income, you can use ChatGPT to earn some money by creating an ebook on kids' stories to sell on Amazon. It has given some good topics. If you are not happy, you can regenerate the response. I am gonna ask to write a new story for the topic in number 3. You can also ask to create an outline for the story you like. It will create the chapters for you and later you can ask ChatGPT to elaborate on each chapter. You can also use other AI tools to create copyright-free images for these stories. If you like to know more about these tools, let me know in the comments. I love the story that ChatGPT is generating for the title, Overcoming a Fear of the Dark or a Fear of Heights. You can also copy this story or you can just ask ChatGPT to translate the story into a particular language that you like. ChatGPT does really make people's jobs easier. For example, if you are a content creator, you can ask ChatGPT to write articles, blogs, summaries, and even entire books. This could make it easier to produce more material in very less time. If you are a researcher, you can provide multiple research papers and ask ChatGPT to summarize them for you. This is the new article released 4 days ago. I am gonna copy the URL link and ask ChatGPT to provide a summary of it. You observe here how fast its response is. While the response is generating, let us look at the upgrade version. It is currently using GPT version 3. OpenAI has released an upgrade for it, which is really faster. While the current version is standard and free to use, ChatGPT Plus needs a payment of $20 per month. This upgrade is very useful if you want to use ChatGPT in your products or services. You can create a chatbot using ChatGPT to provide customer service, by answering questions about your products from the customers. The possibilities are truly endless with ChatGPT, and as the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting developments in the future. The release of ChatGPT version 4. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting and captivating content. Until next time, take care.